Welcome to TMB Designs. I am Trevina, your host of this fabulous lifestyle channel. It is full of inspiration, motivation, and creativity. I desire to inspire you to make beautiful designs one space at a time. Hey y'all, hey. So this is your girl coming with a quick video. Just not to impart fear, but just impart alarm. Now, we are all aware of the infamous coronavirus that has swept not just the nation, but is sweeping the world. And let me just first say that I am very much a woman of faith, and I pray Psalms 91 over my family. Everything that's connected to me is blessed and covered. There are angels encamped about us, all of that. I'm a woman of faith, and I stand on that. So for those that don't know, if you're not familiar, if this is something that has imparted a little bit of fear or hesitation in your spirit, I want to encourage you to read Psalms 91. It will give you that assurance that you are shielded and protected if you are a person of faith. Now, with that being said, my brother, I have two brothers that are in the trucking industry actually, and the oldest brother, the oldest of the brothers rather, he is a coast-to-coast driver. And so he called me today, said, hey sis, just put you on guard, not to put fear, because he's a man of faith as well. He said, listen, they're talking about possible shutting down of imports into the country, which will mean if they shut down trains and ships and planes importing goods into the country, that will cause an upset, that'll shut down the trucking industry, because they have nothing to deliver, nothing to transport from place to place. And so he said, listen, y'all might want to, just kind of stock up on things, be prepared for the what if, just in case, not for fear, just for caution. So with that being said, your girl quickly finished up in the salon this afternoon and headed to the grocery store. My husband and I just went and stocked up. And so I kind of want to share with you some of the things that I prepared for this type of event, in the event that we are a national quarantine, or whatever they're calling for, whatever the case may be. So nothing else, we'll have plenty of food in the house. So just a few things, and I also share with you some tips on just in the research I've done on what to do to prepare, how to have your home safe and sound during this particular outbreak. So starting with grocery, I thought not so much a lot of perishable items, although you see here some perishable items. You definitely want to do non-perishable items, just in case you're home for a while. If you have small children, you may want to consider snacks or things for them. But for my love and I, it's just he and I here predominantly. So I got what we like, and this is what we like. So we did tacos, because we love doing chicken tacos, just taco salads, just whatever. Chili, because I thought that would be perfect. It's still kind of chilly here, so cool weather in the air as weather-wise. Although spring is coming, it still gets some little chilly nights. So I thought a nice chicken chili would be good. White gravy for breakfast. Pita chips for my hummus. You'll see that soon to come. Gotta have cereal, because in case you're not snowed in, but you're quarantined in, or just in, So his favorite, my favorite. I love pineapples, you guys. I eat them religiously, so I always pick up a couple of those. You guys, the bread section, when we got to, we went to Walmart this time. When I tell you it was a madhouse, you guys, oh my goodness. So we did pick up some beef broth and I think we got some turkey ones as well, that we could not get our normal breads, because breads was like a rare commodity. So you see here we got two different kinds, a Wonder hot hamburger bun, and then we got a, what is this, Pepperidge Farm one. So never tried either one, but we will. We normally do ballparks, but we got those to go with the Angus beef burgers, because he loves to grill. So he said if push comes to shove, he'll just throw some burgers on the grill and we'll have at it. These graham biscuits are what I told you guys in my last kitchen clean with me, that the hubby makes this wonderful gravy with this and a maple syrup, a maple sausage. So good. So I got that for that. This is my hummus. I love hummus, you guys. Really, really good. And again, it's a healthy snack. When I tell you bread again was scarce, I've never tried it before, but Pepperidge Farm was what was on the shelf, so we had to just go with it. Onions and tomatoes, because you always need that. I needed some more drip bowls, because it's time to spring clean, and I like to change those out every 3 to 6 months, just depending on how bad they get. Picked up some more eggs. You guys, I've never tried the chicken bacon, but I'm gonna try the chicken bacon. So if anyone has ever tried this, let me know what you think of it. And then I also picked up a turkey one as well. So I normally do turkey sausage, but I'm gonna try the bacon. These are just leftover food. We got vegetables, so I'm gonna do a stew, corn on the cob, if we grill or just whatever. And that is it for this side, okay? So we had to go because there was no tissue, no paper towel inside at Walmart. So we had to stop by our local Dollar General and pick that up. Even the brands, I normally do Angel Soft and I normally do Sparkle. Didn't have it, I had to go with what they had. So that is what I got, okay? And so then moving over here, again, not the brand that I normally use, but this is what they had on the shelf. So this is Store. If you've ever tried this, let me know. Or wheat potato hot dog buns. So we got a couple of packs of those. Again, just thinking of things that we can eat around the house, just in case we were all quarantined or whatever in. Chips for sandwiches. We got waffle cut fries because the regular fries that we get were not available. Had to take what they had. Got a lettuce just because we were running low on those. And guys, you know that I am a blue girl. Who knew that Scotch Brite had the Tiffany blue sponges? So when I saw these, I was like, yes and yes. So I will be going back. I saw that they normally carry a 5 count, I believe, but they didn't have it in stock. So I just went ahead and got those. Totally random, but I thought it was cute. Some chicken thighs, a couple of packs of those because, baby, again, the meat was scarce. So I got a couple of packs of the ground chicken for our chicken chili. He may throw those on the grill with the corn on the cob. I got those chips also for the hummus. We love some ginger ale in this house. What is this? Orange juice, Skinny Pop. I'm a popcorn fanatic. Syrup for my coffee, my frappes. I got some peppered turkey, cracked pepper turkey, and my husband loves the beef bologna. They didn't have any prepackaged, so he had to get it out of the deli. This is the maple sausage that he uses for the little gravy mix that he does. We typically don't do pork, but this is what they had, and he swears by this. Like he's one of those, when he has a recipe, he does not stray. So he was taught to make it with the maple pork, and I gotta just live with it. So this is some Kraft cheese, some more Grand's biscuits. Had to get some veggies of some sort. I have to have this on my burgers. I love pepper jack cheese. Crackers for what it's sitting on. You guys, I don't know if you've ever tried this from Walmart. Hold on. This is so random, but this is a new mug. I've kind of had a slight obsession for mugs lately. I picked this up from, I believe I got it from TJ Maxx, and it says Unstoppable. I thought that was really cute. This is so good, and it's a great little snack to have, even for kids. My little nephews, they like that. So we get that one. They have a rotisserie one and a cranberry one, but we always get the rotisserie one. Well, we've gotten both, but I prefer this one because he cannot stray away from those Cokes. That is his weakness. So we had to get one of those, and just crackers just for our chili. So yeah, that is what we got in terms of the food. And so now I will share with you some of the things that, like I said, I've been doing some research, and they've just been talking about things that you should do to prepare for, you know, the virus or what have you. Yeah. Oh, this is so random. Has nothing to do with Corona at all, but aren't these cute, you guys? I picked these up from TJ Maxx. So cute, and they tie in with the theme for me this spring. All these will not be here, but I just threw it across because I wanted to see how it paired with that. So really cute, really random, nothing to do with what I'm talking about. But anywho, so next you guys will see just a little bit of information that I found. Hopefully it'll be helpful to you all. And I want to encourage you guys just to be safe. Don't live in fear. God has not given us a spirit of fear, but he does give us wisdom, and we should be cautious and wise in all our ways. And so just to prepare and have you ready for it. Above all else, pray and protect your family. As women, as mothers, as wives, that's part of our assignments. Part of our role is to cover our house. So cover your house in prayer. Keep them healthy as possible. Give them medication if need be. But I'm going to share with you some of the things that I found to be helpful for this season. In preparation for coronavirus, they recommend that if you are on any type of prescription medicines, that you go ahead and get your prescriptions filled and have them fully stocked. Prepare your home with any cold or flu medications of your choice. Cleaning supplies. Make sure you have all cleaning supplies on hand. Disinfectant spray, antibacterial soap, feminine hygiene products if needed, hand sanitizer, rubbing alcohol, peroxide, tissue, and paper towels. These are items that they recommend you have in the event of an outbreak in your home or to simply protect your family from the virus itself. Other key advice is to have an adequate supply of water on hand. Thoroughly clean and disinfect your home, vents, windows, doorknobs, everything that your hands or your little one's hands touch. Wash your hands and avoid touching your face as much as possible. My simple advice is to prep, plan, and pray so that you live in continual peace throughout this season or any season that is up on us. I pray that you have found this information to be informative and helpful. I am Trevina with TMB Designs, and I would like to invite you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the TMB family. To my tried and true, I want you to know that I love and appreciate you. Thank you for your continued support. Until the next video, have a blessed and beautiful day. Smooch.